Hello, my name is Corina Gerry, and I am an executive assistant, personal coach to bodybuilders, but I also am a corporate flight attendant. I hired Natalie because I was struggling with making any meaningful connections. I had found plenty of places to network, and I knew all the right things to do in theory, but it really wasn't working for me. I really liked the way Natalie came across. She's very thoughtful and caring. She really cares. Like, she's not just trying to get your business. She's really concerned. She really wants to see you be successful. So I hired her, and literally I had my first flight. Now, I hadn't had a flight. I met Natalie straight out of safety training at a networking event. And I didn't hire her, but her and we had a good connection. And she was kind and thoughtful, and I really liked her. Fast forward a year, and everything I tried wasn't working. Learned a lot, but it just wasn't working for me. So I decided the second time I saw her at the Sea Crew event, I would spend the money and hire her. And literally had my first flight probably 2 weeks after signing on with her and taking her advice, doing what needed to be done. She literally rewrote my resume and took it from a very unexceptional, unremarkable document to a beautiful, standout resume that gets people's attention. And not only that, but I really want to stress that when I got the job with the Part 91 account, she walked me through the whole process. Walked me through the courtship with the pilot. The confidence level. Knew what I was saying was correct because she helped me. She walked me through it. She gave me all the right answers, and she had scenarios for those situations that I wouldn't have even thought of, and she knew the verbiage to say that really clicked with that pilot, and he hired me. And it was a great flight, and she walked me through every aspect of it. And when I had questions, I texted her, and she answered me within minutes, so that I was able to confidently maneuver through that whole flight. Not only that, but she was there with words of encouragement, and she helped me 100%. I would have never had such a successful first experience if it weren't for her. And she continues to help me. Also, her program, not just the one and done. She wants you to be successful on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis, continuing and moving forward. I can't recommend her enough. I mean, I could go on and on and on, but honestly, she has all the right information. She has all the right contacts. She cares, and she is there to make you successful. So I would recommend her 100%. And I hope you do too. You won't be disappointed.